Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage ES in Mystic Black. With halogen headlights, forward collision mitigation, 14-inch steel wheels with wheel cover, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 62,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D8033.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.